So this is our calculator app. So let's take an example that you've forgotten your password and you cannot access it. For example, you don't know your password and you don't want to lose your data which is within the application. So this is what you'll do. For example, if your password was like that 00 and it cannot work, and you've tried every different thing and it's not working, you cannot access your data, so this is what you'll do. So you just tap *1, then *2, *3, and *4. So after tapping these digits, then you'll press the equal sign button, then it will ask you your security question. Your security question, if you've set it, then you'll go ahead to put it there. For example, this. Then you tap on confirm. Then you'll be requested to put in another new password of your choice. Then you'll go ahead to confirm the new password of your choice. So this is how you'll access your app. So another thing, if you don't know your security question and still you cannot access the app and you want to get your data which is inside the application, this is what you will do. Just in case you don't know this password, and just in case you have some items within this app, this is what you'll do. So for demonstration purposes, I'll first add in some 2 photos or 1 photo so that we can check how we can retrieve this photo or edit file which is within this application. So I'll go ahead to hide one photo. This is the chickpeas photo. This one is what I will be hiding. So if we go back to check in our gallery, it's not there. So as you can see in our gallery, it's no longer here. So now what I will do, if I want to retrieve this photo, I've forgotten the password here, I cannot log in, and I have other important data which is inside within the application, and I want to retrieve my data, this is what I'll do. I'll just go direct to my file manager depending on which particular phone you're using. It can be file manager, my files, depending on your phone. So I'll open my files and I'll go to the internal memory. Before you go to the internal memory, you can always first check in the settings here of the app to make sure it is showing hidden files. Show hidden files. A period will appear in front of the name of each file. So that's like a full stop there. Dot will appear on those files which are hidden from the other files. So what I'll do here, I'll make sure this one is switched on so that I can get that hidden file. Then I'll come back again to my files and I'll scroll through different app files which I have on the internal memory of this phone. So depending on how your phone is set, others it's an ascending and descending order. So you can check either at the start of all the application or at the extreme last. So this is what I'll do. This is the headex don't delete me file. It's what I'll go ahead to open. So when I reach here, I'll go ahead to open where there is files. So inside this one there are other sub files. I'll go with them. I'll be opening one by one until I reach the last file. So there are many files within one file. these folders, you keep opening one by one until you reach the extreme last. So when you reach the extreme last, you will see there is download, then there is this other file in a different extension, which is hide. So we shall go ahead to change this file extension depending on which data you want to recover. It's the type of extension you change to. If it is a photo, you'll change to JPG, and if it is an MP4 format, you'll change to MP4, like that. So I'll go ahead to long tap on this particular file, the file which I backed up as an example. Then I'll go ahead to rename it. So it depends on your choice. You can give it either another name if you wish, or if you don't know the names yet, you can just leave it and do it later on. Then I'll also go ahead to change the extension to JPG, because this one is a file, it is a photo type of file. So I'll go ahead to rename. I'll get this warning, change file extension. The file extension will be changed. This might cause the file to become unusable. So if you change it to a different format, there are some formats which cannot be read or displayed by other types of either players or gallery photos, like that. So I'll go ahead to change. So you can see now, after changing the file format, now I'm able to see this photo of the chickpeas. So I'll go back, or I can even move this file to another folder of my wish. I'll put it in screenshots, then I'll say done. So after this, now it will be in my screenshots. If I can go to check in my gallery, I can be able to allocate it again, as you can see here. So all the other things, that's how you do them to retrieve them. I'll just give you a quick summary on how to do it. You come back to my files. After coming to my files, you go to internal storage, make sure that, you go to settings and show hidden files. After making this one on, then you'll go back and check this hidex file, hidex don't delete me file folder. Then you open it, go ahead in files, check everything inside until the last folder, then do the renaming. So that's how you retrieve data, just in case you've forgotten your password in the app lock, this app calculator. And I think it can also work with some other app lock files like that. Thank you for watching, guys. This is all what I wanted to share with you. Don't get stuck into the app whereby you cannot open, or you've forgotten your password and you cannot access anything. So this is how you can be able to go ahead and retrieve your data like that. So this one is an amazing app whereby it can do other things. I wish you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye.